Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure Instagram is updated and your phone runs iOS 13 or Android 10 or newer, because the only reliable method uses the system theme. Once updated, go to your device settings and open Display Options. You do this first so Instagram can inherit the system appearance. Without that, the app won't switch. Make sure no battery saver or accessibility override is blocking theme changes before proceeding to enable the system dark mode. Now activate the system dark theme. On iOS, tap Settings, Display and Brightness, choose Dark. On Android, go to Settings, Display, toggle Dark Theme. Once done, wait a few seconds for the system to apply the UI change across apps. Make sure any automatic schedule is configured if you want night-only behavior. After the system switches, open Instagram. Most recent versions follow the device setting automatically, so the app should render in night mode without extra steps. Finish by opening Instagram and confirming the interface is dark. If it still shows light mode, force stop the app and relaunch. Make sure background process limits aren't preventing theme updates. If that fails, clear Instagram cache Android or reinstall the app, then retry. Also check Instagram settings theme. Some builds offer a theme option to follow system. Set it to system or dark if present. Key troubleshooting tip: reboot the phone after changes to ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.